Good day everyone. I'm Rick Anthony Agulio, an OJT intern from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges or CSPC. And as an intern, my job is being an assistant technician of preventive maintenance of fire detection and alarm systems and also preventive maintenance of CCTVs.
And now, I will discuss where I conducted my training and I will show you what kind of company I've been. The company that I conducted my ODT is DigiWorks Electronics Technologies Incorporated, where safety meets the excellence. DigiWorks is a versatile company specializing in a comprehensive range of service and products and excel in providing, installing, maintaining, and repairing the following systems like conventional and addressable fire detection alarm systems, analog and IP, closed circuit television solution, paging systems, intercom, access control systems, parking guidance systems, fire extinguishers, and also fire protection systems. And now, I will show you the objectives of the company and also their vision and mission and also their core values. I will introduce you the president of the DigiWorks, Mr. Jerome P. De La Roca, and the operations manager, Mrs. Vanessa Leia Moneva De La Roca. And now, this is the products and services that are provided by DigiWorks. We have IP and analog CCTV, centralized access control system, extinguisher, paging system, and many more. The DigiWorks Electronic Technologies Incorporated has lots of connections and clients. We have Asian Century Center, Avida Tower Sukat, The Columns Ayala, the Milan Residences, Centuria Medical Clinic, and many more. The DigiWorks company also offered lots of devices, and its trusted brands are Edwards, Hikvision, Honeywell, we have WiseNet, Axis, Panasonic, and many more. Our accomplishments every day is make our clients satisfied and happy with our work by doing it professionally and perfect. Hello guys, I will share to you my learnings while doing my on-the-job training. First, I learned a lot of things, especially in my communication skills, because every day I've been interacting with different people from different countries outside. I learned how to troubleshoot the CCTVs with no video. I learned how to use different tools and equipments. Wirings, installing, troubleshooting the FDAS by the help of our seniors. And also the best part is facing the reality. Now, what can I say about the company? The DigiWorks are lacking of manpower because they has lots of clients. But I'm very happy because all of the regular workers or staff are on time. They given us a warm welcome. They given us lot of joy while doing our job, teaching us all of their knowledge and experiences. Also,
It's like their own